Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias Kitchen. Today I've collaborated with two other YouTubers, Najla's Kitchen and Hadija Shaban. I'll be making this tasty meat and potato stew. Najla's Kitchen will be making chicken stew and Hadija Shaban will be making coconut fish stew. I'll put their links in the description box so you can able to check out their recipes. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need some lamb meat, or you can use any meat that you prefer. You're also going to need 2 large sliced potatoes, a quarter cup of green peas, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 small can of tomato paste, 2 large blended tomatoes. Then I have different Swahili spices. You can add or reduce the spices. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of black pepper, some salt to taste, a half a piece of jumbo or you can use Maggi, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of royco, 1 tablespoon of garamasala, and lastly a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And you're also going to need 1 large slice of onion, a bit of okra, 2 slices of carrots, different types of bell pepper, some green peas, and lastly you can use lemon or you can use lime. So the first step, you're going to place a medium pot in a medium heat and add the meat, and make sure you've cleaned the meat. Then add 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Add some black pepper and sprinkle some salt to taste, and lastly pour some water. Then mix the meat well and cover the meat to let it cook until the meat becomes soft. Once the meat becomes soft, you're going to remove the meat from the heat and place it aside. The next step, you're going to take a medium large pot and pour approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, add 1 slice of onion and cook the onion till golden brown. Once the onions are golden brown, add the potatoes and mix well. Then add the carrots and give a quick mix and pour approximately a quarter cup of water and mix everything well and let the potatoes and carrot to cook for at least 3 to 5 minutes. When the carrots and the potatoes are a bit soft, you're going to add the meat. I'm going to remove the meat out from the soup, and the soup you're going to use it later on. And you're going to add the remaining garlic and ginger pastes and mix everything well and nice and let the meat to cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to add the spices, which are turmeric powder, royco, curry powder, garam masala, some salt and some jumbo. The spices I've used are from my brand Laltia Swahili Spices. I'll put the number so you can able to contact us to get these amazing Swahili spices and mix everything very well. Once you've mixed the spices and the meat very well, cover the meat for approximately 3 minutes and uncover it. Then afterwards add the vegetables, which are peas, green peas and okra, and stir well. And afterwards add the blended tomatoes and mix everything well and nice. Then I'm going to add 1 small can of tomato paste, which is approximately to 2 tablespoons. This is to get the deep intensive tomato flavor into the stew and mix the stew very well. Afterwards, you're going to pour some soup. I have approximately 1.5 cup of soup, and mix the stew very well and let the stew to cook for approximately 10 to 15 minutes until everything is nicely cooked. Lastly, you're going to squeeze some lime, or you can use some lemon juice, and mix the stew very well and let the stew to cook for approximately 3 minutes and your stew will be ready. When the stew is nicely cooked and thick like this, then your potato meat stew is ready, and remove it from the heat and serve in a bowl. And our tasty, delicious meat and potato stew is ready, as you can see in the video. Like this stew, it's super tasty. You can eat along with some rice, some ugali, chapati, mandazi, or anything that you like, and enjoy your stew. Thank you for watching my video and hope you enjoyed this recipe. And please kindly don't forget to watch Khadija Shaban and Najla's Kitchen Stew. I'll put their links in the description box so you can able to check out their recipes. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.